Demolition Derby fans, how we doing out there tonight? Whew. What a great crowd that we have on hand here for the 2024 Demolition Derby. That's right. We have got an exciting event for you here tonight. As a matter of fact, we even brought in a new event. You say, well, how can we do a new event? We already do combines and little tykes and all that, even though that got canceled this year. But to my surprise, we have what we call a youth division. Now you say, well, how can it be a youth division? If you're 16 years old, you have a license, you can compete in the regular event. So what does that mean? That means we have kids that are the ages of 12 to 15 years old behind the wheel of mom and dad's junk car. What makes it even better or stupid is that we are allowing one parent in the passenger seat. Yeah.
Awesome.
Departments. So ladies and gentlemen, without any further delay, if you could please rise, if able, remove your hats for the singing of our national anthem by Emma Ruffner, our third runner-up Fair Queen.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched, we're so gallantly streaming, and the rockets flank the balls bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Thanks. So, the youth need to get in their cars, get them fired up, and wait for the signal to come onto the track. Tonight's Demolition Derby is presented by Fair Dealers. See them for all your new pre-owned car and truck needs. Chevrolet, Toyota, Honda, Ford, Nissan, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep,